Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing the SOTAONE HS110D FPV RC drone, which we'll call SOTAONE, and the SOTAONE S350 drone, or SOTAONE for short. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price. SOTAONE comes in at $99, while SOTAONE is a cool $59. So if you're on a budget, SOTAONE is already winning your heart and saving your wallet. But hey, let's see if that extra $40 for SOTAONE is worth it. Both of these bad boys come with 1080p HD cameras. SOTAONE boasts a 120 degrees field of view, perfect for capturing those wide-angle shots of your dog chasing its tail. SOTAONE, on the other hand, gives you a 90 degrees manually adjustable angle. Reviewers say SOTAONE's camera quality is average but functional for beginners, while SOTAONE's camera is decent but requires manual adjustment. So, if you like playing drone photographer and getting that perfect shot, SOTAONE might be your new best friend. Now, let's talk about ease of use. SOTAONE has altitude hold and headless mode, making it a breeze for newbies. Reviewers found it easy to use and fun, especially for mastering drone flying skills. SOTAONE also has altitude hold plus a one-key takeoff/land feature. It's praised for being user-friendly, even for children. It's like the drone equivalent of autopilot. Even your grandma could fly this thing. Stunt lovers, this one's for you. Both drones let you pull off some sick moves. SOTAONE has 3D flips, while SOTAONE goes all out with 4-direction 3D flips, high-speed rotation, and fixed-point circle fly. Reviewers love SOTAONE for its impressive stunts and tricks, making it the drone version of Tony Hawk. If you want to impress your friends or just make your cat dizzy, SOTAONE's got you covered. Safety first, right? SOTAONE comes with 2 modular batteries for a 20-minute flight time, but reviewers noted issues with short battery life. SOTAONE also offers 20 minutes, but adds propeller guards, a low-power alarm, and an emergency stop. It's like flying a drone wrapped in bubble wrap. Plus, it folds up to fit in your pocket. Perfect for sneaky drone missions. Both drones have some cool app controls. SOTAONE lets you use voice control, gesture control, and even trajectory flight. SOTAONE matches those features and throws in VR mode. Reviewers find SOTAONE's extra features like VR mode exciting and immersive. So if you've ever wanted to feel like you're flying through the Matrix, SOTAONE's got your back. Overall, reviewers find SOTAONE to be a great beginner drone that's easy to use and offers good stability, despite its average camera quality and battery life issues. SOTAONE is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and impressive stunt capabilities, though it also has limited battery life. Both drones are recommended for beginners and offer good value for the price. So which drone should you buy? If you're looking for affordability with a ton of features, SOTAONE is your go-to. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. But if you're willing to spend a little extra for a more stable and creative flying experience, SOTAONE is worth every penny. Either way, you're in for a fun time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart, buy smart, and we'll see you next time.